Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the next kit presentation. This is my EDC for Florida. I live in Florida, warm state. You cannot carry something big, plus again I'm not the thinnest person available, so I have limitations, like many of us. I carry a good reliable phone, Samsung S8 Active, which is has protection from dust, dirt, water, impact, whatnot. You can look up what an active model from Samsung is. This is S8, last year's model. Good light for identification of the target or seeing your surroundings. Of course, with a clip that can be put in a pocket or on the belt. Mostly in a pocket. This is a SureFire Executive Elite E2E. Not the most powerful light, but very good for what it does. I don't need a lot of lumens, but I want a very reliable light. My choice for carry is cold steel Spartan, a few generations old. A very good knife, a little heavy, but very good in my hands. It can be open in multiple ways, including just a Torque approach. It sits in the hand, protects from both sides, the hand doesn't slide, and has a fairly big blade. Heavy duty folding knife. My current carry is, and again, safety checked as usual, safety on as well, and in a safe direction. Smith Wesson M&P Shield 9, first generation, custom stippling, Laser Max laser. Battery I check every once in a while as well. Stippling on the laser for a better grip if need be. Stippling on the magazines as well for match. I didn't ask for it, but when they did the stippling, they did it. 9mm, 7+1, plus 2 backup magazines, 24 rounds total. 9mm, I usually carry some kind of self-defense oriented hollow points. From RBCD to Hornady to Federal. Sometimes I change what I carry. And the Tourniquet. This is a 2015 Cat. Still in its original pouch, so it should be functional. I might be replacing it with a new one this year, next version. This is my kit. What do you think? Again, I usually have gloves in the car, so I don't put them as part of the kit. I wonder what your ideas are. As you can see, this gun has been with me for quite a while. The one thing about stippling, sometimes your skin might stay on it. But makes it a very good gun. I actually like it more than the Glock 40 series, the tiny, the 42, 43s. But I am considering getting possibly one of the Shield 2.0s because they seem to have a better trigger. I don't know yet, haven't tried it yet. That's all, folks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.